Welcome to B.Y.O.O TV.
Welcome to the video, Sylvain and the Purple Grapes, a short story from Excellence Junior School. Sylvain is a handsome red fox living in a large forest. Today, Sylvain is very hungry and is looking for something to eat. Sylvain arrives in a beautiful garden. The sun is shining. There are lots of red and yellow flowers everywhere. Sylvain looks around him. Suddenly, Sylvain sees something special. At the top of a wall, there is a green plant with large purple grapes. "Oh," says Sylvain, "these grapes are magnificent. I want to eat these good fruits. They are perfect for my lunch." The grapes are very high up. Sylvain prepares himself. He bends his paws and jumps, but he doesn't touch the grapes. In the tree, a small bird watches Sylvain. His name is Pipit. Pipit is blue and very curious. He sings softly on his branch. Sylvain tries one more time. He runs very fast and jumps higher. He almost touches the fruits with his nose, but he falls onto the grass. Sylvain is tired. It's hot under the sun. He sits on the ground and looks at the purple grapes up there again. Sylvain gets up and lifts his nose. "No thanks," says Sylvain. "These grapes are too green. They are not good." And Sylvain leaves.